What happened?
Ariel, you're missing your favorite.
There's nothing to worry about.
There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. Normal again.
Now, I want you to open your mouth and say, ah.
Mice in my house. Gonna get...
Not mouse, but their grandma. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Sri Wahyuni. And today's video, from the title, is about the cartoon again. That's funny. Cartoon Network. The Cowardly Dog Say R. It's 5 minutes video. Let's start to watch. It's dark. Say R. Say R. Carrots. Rabbit. There's no English translation here. Oh. Is it a rabbit?
Would you like a carrot? Is a carrot what you're wanting?
What is that?
I'll get you a carrot.
Worm? I think that's worm. Worm. That's not rabbit. Maybe there's something else.
Huh?
Is
Little rabbit, where did you go?
whoa. So scary.
Must be a bad carrot.
Doctor.
Nothing to worry about. There's nothing at all. Nothing at all.
The hand becomes so big.
Go down. Go down. Just keep soaking it. There's nothing to worry about. Just keep soaking it.
Now, I don't want to be in any trouble.
And you shouldn't have gotten bit. Come on, stupid dog.
Thank you, Doctor.
So big right hand.
Just keep soaking it.
It's normal again. The size of the hand. What happened?
Ariel, you're missing your favorite show.
What happened with her?
Ariel! Go find her.
Go find her. Eh? She's become monster. Eh. Ah! She's become monster. Oh, the dog is sick.
What is up with that? There's nothing to worry about.
There's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to worry about. Horror movie. The dog bring the doctor to the house.
Your son here says there is
I think it's normal again. The grandma already normal again. I think maybe.
I'm
Alright.
watching my favorite show.
Normal again.
Now, I want you to open your mouth and say, ah.
Huh? So scary. Whoa. Their grandpa is sober. Don't shower.
Stupid dog.
That is the worst case of chicken pox I have ever seen.
Mice in my house. Gonna get me a mallet.
Not mouse,
Put that
but the
mallet.
grandma. Oh, that's all. Okay, I just finished watch the video and it's funny but scary too. So yeah. Don't worry, there's nothing to worry about. The doctor always saying like that. Don't worry, it's okay. Don't worry, there's nothing to worry about. And the grandma, I think she become monster because she got bitten by the worm, I think. Yeah. Okay. I enjoyed to watch that, but a little bit scary. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video, inshallah. Bye bye.